Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss about a new identity which is a plus b whole cube. In this identity we will find the cube of a binomial which is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of ab into a plus b. You may learn this identity in one another way. A plus b whole cube, it is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of a is multiplied with a, we get 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of a b square. So let us discuss the expansion of this identity. If we have a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube we will expand as a plus b and a plus b whole square. After multiplication, a plus b, and we have a plus b whole square expanded by using identity a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Now we'll split a multiply with a square plus b square plus 2ab, and b is multiplied with this expression, and after solving this we get a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of a b square. And from last two term, if 3ab is common, we will get the final result of identity a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of ab into a plus b. Similarly, if you want to prove next identity, which is a minus b whole cube, we will get a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. It is easy to learn. In case of a minus b whole cube, all the positive term will become negative. Or another way you can learn it, you have a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of ab square. Now let us discuss some problems related to these identities. We generally discuss two types of problems, one on factorization and second on product. Let us discuss the problems on the product first. For the product problem, we will use either identity a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube. Let us discuss the problem. Here is a problem, it is 2a minus 3b whole cube. For solving this problem, we are going to use identity a minus b whole cube, where a is 2a and the b is 3b. When we expand them, we get a cube 2a cube minus 3 times of b whole cube minus 3 times of ab, which is 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. When we expand this further, 2a cube become 80 cube minus 27b cube minus 18 times of ab into 2a minus 3b. By multiplying it further, we get 80 cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Now this is another problem. We will discuss this problem. In this case, the question is 1 by 3x minus 2 upon 5y whole cube. Now again, in the same problem, we are going to use identity a plus b, a minus b whole cube, where a is 1 upon 3x and b is 2 upon 5y. A cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. Now here this 3 cancel with the 3, and by expanding this we get 1 by 27x cube, 8 by 125y cube, 2 times of 5 times of xy, 1 by 3x minus 2 upon 5y. When we expand this further, finally we will get this result. Now let us simplify this problem. This is 4x plus 2y whole square plus 4x minus 2y whole square. In this problem, first of all, we will expand 4x plus 2y whole square by using identity a plus b whole cube and 4x minus 2y whole cube. This will expand. After expansion, we will add them. So we have a 4x plus 2y whole cube plus 4x minus 2y whole cube. By expanding this, we have a cube plus b cube plus 3 times of ab into a plus b, plus here this is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b, even though you can use this identity as a cube plus minus b cube. And by expansion that, we get 64x cube plus 8y cube 24xy 4 times of x plus 2y. By expansion of this, you will get this term. Since we have to add them by performing addition, few of those terms will be cancelled out. 8y cube cancel with the 8y cube. 96 x square y will be cancelled out. And finally we left four terms here. 48xy square and 48xy square will be added. 64 x cube added, we get 128x cube plus 96xy square. This is the required result. Let us discuss another problem. We have to evaluate the following by using identity. The first problem here, 999 whole cube. Now here we will use identity. For using identity, we will express them in the cube of a binomial. For this, 999 is very near to a number 1000, so we will express this as 1000 minus 1. And we will perform the identity a minus b whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. By expanding this further and solving them, we get this result. Now let us try this problem. This is 90.4 whole cube. In this problem, we will express this as a cube of a binomial. 10.4 will be expressed as 10 plus 0.4, and we'll expand by using identity a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 10 cube become 1000, 0.4 cube is 0.064, and by simplifying them you get 124.8. By performing addition we get 1124.864. Now let us try the problems on the factorization. When we do the question on the factorization, generally we use identity a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Let us have this problem. This is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6 times of ab square. As you look into this problem, you have to check carefully that we have to use our entry. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and the possible factors are a plus b whole cube, or we'll use our entry a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b equals to a minus b whole cube. In this problem, we are going to use our entity. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. Second identity will be used here. We'll express this in the standard form. 8 will be 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. So the possible factors are 2a minus b whole cube. We have another problem here, which is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Again the same identity, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b will be used. Express them in the cubic form. We get 3 cube minus 5a cube minus 3 times of a into b and 3 minus 5a, which gives us the formula of 3 minus 5a, where a is 3 and b is 5a whole cube. Now this is another problem. In this problem, we have a question 27a cube plus 1 by 64b cube plus 27a square upon 4b 9a upon 16b square. Here in this problem, here all the terms are positive. It means the identity which you have to look for, this identity, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 27a cube will be written as 3a cube. 1 upon 4b cube plus this 9a upon 4b is common. 3a plus 4b, even though you can write the direct step, this one, which is 3 times of ab, a is 3a and b is 1 upon 4b into 3a plus 1 upon 4b. And when we expand this, you get 3a plus 1 upon 4b whole cube. It means 3a minus 3a plus 1 upon 4b repeat 3 times. That is the required factor for this expression. This is another problem. In this case, we have a 64 upon 125x cube minus 8 minus 96 by 25x square plus 48x upon 5. So since few terms are negative and we have a cubic term, 2 cubic term, this identity will be used. We'll express this in the form which is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of ab into a minus b, or we get here 4x upon 5 minus 2 whole cube, which is required factors. 4x upon 5 minus 2, it repeats 3 times. These are some practice questions related to this topic. Thanks for watching this video.